Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're here at Strength Built, about to get in a cheeky chest pump. And I'm excited, guys, because I'm going to show you how to train chest, give you some tips to train chest. And we're here with Ross, the sauce boss. Can you see me now? Okay, you can see me now.
Oh, what did you just take?
Oh, dude, yes, I am definitely full of energy. Okay, I'm pumped up. Not yet. We're about to get really pumped up, but so I actually just took this, bro. Here, check this out.
What's this?
That is the new
Built
Built Energy, bro.
Oh shit.
I'm sorry, yeah. So it's got 100 milligrams of caffeine, 15 grams of protein. It's got 2 grams of fat, low in carbs, perfect boost pre-workout.
And beta-alanine?
Beta-alanine is probably why my face is a little tingly, why I'm a little pumped right now, but it's very convenient, man. As I say, like, fits in my pocket. You see, he didn't even see what I had. He didn't even see what I had.
Low-key energy that gets you veiny.
There you go. If you didn't know, Ross is a rapper as well, but we'll get to that another day. We're gonna focus on the chest today. So yes, you guys need to try this. Really, really good. So this one today is the chocolate coconut. I actually brought this one for Ross because I already took mine in the car, but I'm ready to go, guys. I am ready to go. And if you guys are looking for a perfect, quick pre-workout, again, you can also add this into your oatmeal. So you can get really, really, really creative. In your grits, what else? Cream or rice pre-workout. There you go for all you bodybuilders out there. This is perfect to add with any of those things. Again, super convenient. Look. Boom. Where'd it go?
A little tiny meal.
Where'd it go?
Pocket meal.
Little pocket meal energy ready to go. I do have a discount if you are interested. Link in the description below. Let's start this workout. Let's get it, baby. Okay, guys, so currently I am all wired up right now. We got Ross getting all wired up. And so we're gonna bring you along this chest day, and Ross is gonna be giving you the tips. So obviously I'm gonna be training, and he's gonna be going over like a lot of common mistakes that a lot of people make, what to focus on, and how to do the exercise correctly. Because I know a lot of you guys out there and girls, you wanna build that chest up. You can do it, and you don't need a lot of heavy weight, as you're gonna see from this workout. You don't need to be benching 405 like I used to do back in the day just to get a bigger, thicker chest. Intensity and intention. There you go. That's what it's all about. So I'm excited, man. We need to hurry up and get Ross wired up. We're gonna get this going.
Okay, so Logan's at 25 frequency, 20 intensity. So we got a chest cable press here. Some principles. As Logan's elbows go back, he's gonna contract or retract his scapulas, which is gonna actively stretch his pecs. So he's gonna do the opposite motion on each press. And then when he presses out of the hole, so out of the deficit right there, he's not going to try to explode, because we want to put all the tension right in his pec. Okay, let's go a little lower on the press. Come on, a little lower.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on.
Come on.
Push it hard. Come on.
Let's go.
30.
Good.
2 more. 40.
Squeeze here. Good job. Pumped up?
Oh my gosh, yes. So one thing, guys, my frequency, I only get like 20 to 25. Ross is at 45. So then I told Rick, okay, bump me up. And Ross is like, no, you got to work your way up to that level. It's like Ross said, it's like the first time someone's squatting, you're gonna be like, holy crap, like what is this? Because you've never done it before.
Yeah.
So my chest's like in shock.
Yeah, you can already see, it's hard to see him in the camera, but he's really full all through the whole pack.
Yeah, and we have to wear this compression to keep the pads down, guys.
Come on. Okay, guys, we got our last set of flat or dumbbell flat bench press. So same sort of techniques. Logan's gonna do about 10 to 15 reps. He's got 70 pounds, 10 to 15 reps with no speed out of the gate. So when he gets to the bottom, he's gonna have an active stretch, let the machine do its work. And when he gets to the bottom and he's going up, he's not going to explode. He's only gonna explode when he's dead tired, and we're gonna switch over to the type 2 muscle fibers, which are the explosive muscle fibers. We're gonna bump up the intensity here.
35, Rick.
Got it, man. Come on.
Oh yeah. Feel it.
Let's go. Oh yeah? How's that built energy coming in?
Oh yeah. Dude, it's kicking in.
Ready to go?
It's kicking in. Let's go. Built for this. Let's go.
Come on.
1.
Good. And Logan's gonna drive his elbows, his biceps
2.
towards the middle of his body. That's gonna keep the contraction.
3.
A lot of people stop right there.
4.
You're missing about 30 degrees of motion. Come on.
5.
That's it, let's go.
6.
Good, let's go.
7.
Last set, bring it, bring it, bring it.
8.
Come on.
9.
Come on.
Go.
10.
Come on, more.
Big pecs, big
1.
Come on.
2.
Whoa.
3. 4. 5.
Last one.
Ah!
Good shit.
Oh.
Good set.
Oh. I was getting electrocuted.
Oh, that's so funny.
I was getting electrocuted there for a minute.
We'll make this last set, Rick. Last set here. Got incline dumbbell bench.
Rick, let's go 45.
Same thing, guys, just at a different angle. He's not gonna accelerate out of the hole, drive his biceps together, gauge his pecs. When he gets tired, he'll switch over to the type 2 muscle fibers.
Good.
Explode out of the hole.
Yeah, we're good.
There you go. Come on. Good, Logan. Good.
3.
And when I go to help you, don't go to crap reps like you did last time. Do them
4.
Hold his ass accountable.
I just did.
5.
Just like this, and I'll help you.
Good. Maintain.
Six.
There we go.
Good. Come on.
7.
Don't lose form. Come on.
8.
Don't waste your time.
9.
Let's go. 5 more.
10.
I'm there to help you. Just keep doing them right.
11.
Do them right.
Yeah,
I'll
let's go.
help you. Do them right.
Let's go.
Come all the way in. Come on. Come in there.
13.
Come
Good.
on.
Squeeze
There
it.
you go.
Squeeze it.
14.
Last one.
One more.
Damn.
Good, Raph. Good set.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Logan is screaming. Okay, guys. So last set here. We got some traditional chest flies, but same concepts. We're gonna go for an active stretch on the way back. So Logan's gonna allow the cables to go backwards. He's gonna pull those shoulder blades back or together, which is gonna allow him to stretch his pecs more. He's gonna keep his feet parallel. He's only gonna stagger his feet. So he's gonna go here to there when he gets really tired. Having his feet together is gonna allow him, or it's gonna basically make him weaker, not allowing him to create momentum and leverage in the exercise. And he has to keep his abs tight, which is great. This is our last exercise. Nice stretch finisher. Good thing Logan had his built go energy, or else he'd be dead right now. Good.
6. 7.
He's driving his elbows together towards the median of his body.
3.
Good.
9.
Come on.
8.
Logan used to work out in the library, but then he got kicked out the first day.
6.
This is how he used to read his books. Chapter 1!
Whoa.
Good job. This is the end result. He is fucking pumped.
Oh my god.
Here, come on over here.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I think the lighting's right here.
Right here. Yeah. Yeah, he is super pumped. Oh my god. Stay there. Do it again.
Oh, here we go.
Breathe, breathe, breathe. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So I want to give a huge shout out to Built Go Energy Gel. If you need that extra bit of energy for the gym, maybe you're at work or just at home and you need to get that extra kick in, break through your wall and get yourself some of this Built Go. It has 15 grams of collagen protein, which is a fast absorbing protein, and it metabolizes within 30 minutes. It also has 200% of vitamin B3, B12, and B6. That's gonna help your body convert food into usable energy. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, it also has beta alanine, which is an amino acid that's produced naturally flexibility in your body to help your muscles perform better for longer with less fatigue. It also has 100 milligrams of caffeine. That's definitely going to give you that instant boost. And it also has natural honey, which who doesn't love honey? I love me some honey. So like I said, I do have a discount in the description below if you want to get yourself one of these. These are perfect to go and you can use them anytime. And like I said, they'll go perfect with your pre-workout meal, or you just need that extra boost at work to throw in your protein shake, your oatmeal, cream of rice, whatever. The possibilities are endless when you use one of these right here. So that's the video, guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. As always, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see y'all in the next vlog. Peace.